Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with selling product combos in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From there, in the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for an account. If you do not already have one, if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in, and after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this home page, this is from where we can get started. We have the configuration tab right here at the top of the page where you can get started with accessing the settings, apps, and so on, and the side menu. So let's go ahead and take a look how to get started with setting up product combos. So as you can see right here, we have the product combos documentation page. From where we can get started setting it up. So the product combos feature allows users to define and manage combination options for a single product. In the context of a restaurant, this is going to enable users to create multiple choice menus. So how do you get started with setting up this? Well, you're going to go to the point of sale section and then open up your products and product combos and click new. So you need to go ahead and open up your point of sale. It's going to be available right here in your configuration. If you have a store website set up, I do not have a store website, so I cannot show you directly, but you're going to have your apps right here and your settings, from where you can set them up. After that, you're going to set up your point of sale and get started with managing your combos and creating new ones, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.